What's going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to answer a question that I've been seeing a lot recently, ever since Apple released the AirPods Pro Gen 2, the USB-C version, as you're seeing here. The common question I always see is it worth getting the USB-C version, or should you just get the Lightning version because they're basically the same price in most cases, and a lot of people think that the USB-C version may be different or not. So I'm going to try and answer that question for you. So we're just going to revisit the unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2 and show you what it comes with. Of course, it's all the same. The only difference is that instead of a USB-C to Lightning cable, it's a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's because, of course, the case on these AirPods here are USB-C enabled. So in terms of the design, of course, nothing has changed except that connector on the bottom. Everything else is the same. The AirPods are the same. The only noticeable difference was that when you pair these with Apple Vision Pro, they do enable lossless audio. That doesn't happen with the Lightning version of these. And I'm wondering if maybe Apple will improve this on the iPhone side of things and maybe iOS 18. But as of right now, it just only happens on the Vision Pro headset. If you have the USB-C version of these AirPods, it will enable lossless audio when you stream to it. So that's about the only difference I could find in terms of USB-C AirPods Gen 2 versus Lightning AirPods Gen 2, is that feature there. And a lot of people are probably wondering, maybe they will add this to the iPhone when it comes out, maybe in iOS 18 or something, or the new iPhone, that they will add lossless audio to the USB-C version only because it can handle it on the Apple Vision. But I haven't heard anything about that, so I wouldn't count on it. But if you're in the market for AirPod or you want to upgrade to the USB-C version, basically I can tell you now, if you already have AirPod Pros Gen 2 Lightning version, just hold off. I don't think Apple is going to add any features to the USB-C only versions, like the lossless feature that are in the Vision Pro pairing. So if you have already an AirPods set, just keep it, use it until the battery can no longer hold a charge, or maybe you want to give it to someone else. But definitely don't upgrade. If you're looking for AirPods and you don't have a pair, then go for the USB-C version, because Apple will be using USB-C from now on. So it wouldn't make sense to get Lightning if you're going to have to phase out that cord anyway. So if you don't have AirPods Pro Gen 2, then definitely get the USB-C version, because it's just going to make sense in the future when everything officially makes that switch. There are a few accessories that have Lightning, so that still exists, but most of the accessories now are USB-C. So might as well just jump on board and start to phase out Lightning as much as you can. So that's the best way to recommend it. Like I said, there's not much of a difference, only in the Vision Pro side of things. But as of the iPhone or any other Apple device, nothing has changed so far. Maybe that will happen in the future. The USB-C version will get lossless, hopefully. But now, it's all the same. Same charging, same case, same features. It's just the connector on the bottom is more convenient. If you have let's say an iPhone 15 Pro or any 15, you can use that USB-C cable to charge. So that's the only difference, and I recommend just getting the USB-C version if you need a new pair. If you already have a pair, don't upgrade at all. It's not worth it. So that's my take on the AirPods. As you see, I demonstrate, again, the design. Not much has changed, so I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.